Hey y'all, Rhonda here. Hope everyone's doing well. Thought I would hop on here and give you a quick update and share a little Dollar Tree fun with you. Still working on putting the house back together. I lost a week because my allergies kicked my behind. Let me tell you, it was so bad. AJ was not in great shape either. She was finishing up school. And so anyway, trying to get over all that. And then I must have slept wrong. And I couldn't move my neck. And if I would yawn or move my arm a certain way, it would send it into a spasm. And let me tell you, Lord have mercy. So I went to the chiropractor. He worked on me. They did some laser treatment. I went back the next day, did some more laser treatment, and I'm good as gold. Let me tell you. A little sore, the next day or two, but fine. So now it's like, I always describe myself as a train. You know how a train, it takes a while to get going. The guys are shoveling the coal. And sometimes you don't have but a scrawny little guy shoveling coal, so there's not much to go on. And then sometimes you got some really strong guys in there shoveling coal, but it's that slow. But then once that train gets going, watch out. That's exactly how I am. So my train has been at the station and not moving. So now I'm getting some strong guys in there shoveling coal, and I'm getting with it. So anyway, AJ and I spent most of the day outside and raking leaves and killing snakes. Oh my God, I found so many little snakes. And planting things and spraying for ants and, all that fun stuff. So it was good to get outside, get some sunshine, and and get my hands dirty. That always makes me feel better. So anyway, here I am. It's 12:16 at night. And I thought I would hop on, and because we did go to Home Depot and look at all the pretty plants and get a few things, and Dollar Tree. So I thought, well, I have my tea and I have some Dollar Tree stuff and I have you guys, so that's a pretty good night. So slurp alert. Some tea that I found. If you didn't see my last video, there's a European store that I found in Springfield that I love. And so I bought some tea while I was there. Loving it. And still have all my Germany tea that I'm working on and all that. So anyway, all right, let's just get to it. All right, so we were Home Depot. Dollar Tree was right there. We didn't, need to go in, but we did because it's fun. So let me just start with this over here. All right, well, hand soap. You're always needing hand soap. And I mean, look at this. How many ounces is this? 16 ounces, $1.25. And it's cactus flower. Smells pretty good. Anyway, I mean, you can't beat it. And then I saw this. This is small. Let me make sure because I'm not in my normal area. Okay, make sure I'm in frame. Because the IKEA trip and the redoing AJ's room, the house reveal, redoing the craft room, all that's coming up. So like and subscribe and you'll get notified. So anyway, I saw this and I thought this would be great instead of having my big old Dawn dishwashing container there, that this would be much prettier, especially in my new kitchen. So I got one of these and I thought, well, I don't need this. I could take this off or just leave it off, whatever. But, I thought that'd be a lot prettier than, what's up there. And then always need lighters because we love candles. And we still haven't made it over because I'm still going through boxes, getting ready for a big sale. And most of my dishes and things like that are still in storage, so we've got to go over and get. I'm hoping next week. The weather has been crazy. You guys too? Let me know. We have, I think, what was it, two months ago? They said we had like 4 inches of rain or something. This past month, we've had 20 inches of rain. That's insane. So that's another reason why we haven't been out and we haven't been shopping. Our trip to IKEA, we haven't been going to the U-Haul place to get our stuff out of storage. I mean, it's just been crazy. So, anyway, yeah. So anyway, my lighters are in storage, and we had storms the other day and expected more storms this coming week. And we needed lighters for the candles just in case. So anyway, I picked up a couple of those. Let me set these out of the way. And since most of my stuff's in storage. I needed a spatula. And you know what's funny is I found, I mean, I have, you guys follow me. You know how much craft stuff I have. It's insane. Well, the same way with dishes, my sets of china, all that stuff. I mean, you know, really. And, but I don't have but like 2 pots. I have like 3 bowls as far as like mixing stuff. I do have a good set of china here, but it's like, you know, you really don't need all that stuff. It's fun, but we've been getting along just fine without it. But anyway, I didn't even have a flipper. So I picked one up, and I mean, this is pretty nice. And it's slotted turner, heavyweight, dishwasher safe. So anyway, I picked one of those up because you can always use those. All right, what else? Oh, I need to open these. Let me find out. These are the handiest things. Oh, here we go. And I get these for junk journaling and what, but I have one in my purse all the time. You get 3. I keep having to look here because my chair's not high enough. I'm at a table that not my craft table, so sorry if I'm kind of out of whack here. But anyway, I carry one of these in my purse with me all the time. It's great for, you know, meeting somebody in a phone number, taking notes, measurements, a quick list. I'm a list girl. So I use these all the time. So I had to get this because the one in my purse right now is almost full. Love, love, love. All right. So we were there. I was looking and I came across these and I thought these would be really fun to make journals out of, to deconstruct them. And these are the real, I mean, these are Disney. And these are like the original. Oh man, I should have looked. I'm a freak about my books. Okay, well, we'll fix that. But anyway, this is the original Cinderella. That I mean, the original looking characters, Bibby Bobbity Boo. May not be the original story. No, but it's the original artwork. But anyway, so I just thought these would be fun to deconstruct, and I like the size, something different. So there is Disney princesses. Here's Minnie Mouse. And again, just fun, fun, fun. Love the bright colors. And then the 3 Musketeers. And I like that it's not the knockoff artwork, you know. I mean, it's the real thing. And then Toy Story. So these are different stories, but it is the artwork. And I just thought, anyway, just thought these would be fun to tear apart and put back together. Isn't that what we do as crafters? All right. So this is all really random. So we're in the beauty aisle. We always have to look at all the good stuff. And AJ spotted these. These are cold and hot gel beaded eye mask. You can see the beads in there. So those beads are going to hold the heat or hold the cold. So it says cold use, place in refrigerator for no more than 60 minutes or in the freezer for no more than 10 minutes until desired temperature is achieved. And then heat, wrap eye mask in a soft paper or cloth towel, place in the center of microwave and warm for 5 seconds. Oh, wow. So, you know, I was thinking, man, I needed this with my allergies because my eyes were just blah. So anyway, pick that up. And then, like I said, this is pretty random here. So we always have to look at the masks. So AJ picked out this Citrus Sunburst Facial Mask, brighten in tone. And then they had another one. It was a green one that was, I can't remember what it did, but it was the same, along the same lines. So yeah, fun, fun, fun. And then we saw these, and I thought, well, we have to get all of them. So these are face masks, and it goes with your sign, your you know, what do you call it? Your sun sign, your you know, Aquarius, Leo, Sagittarius. So this is element. So this is fire. So this is volcanic ash, caffeine extract, and tangerine oil. Okay. And this is earth. So this is collagen, kombucha, and white yellow bark. So this is Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. And water, which is me, Pisces. Sea minerals and hyaluronic acid. Okay. And then this is air. So this is aloe, turmeric, and young lung oil. I don't know. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, thought those were fun. All right, what else do we have? And then I saw this. I saw several things that's this size. Is it all in frame? I don't have a ruler or anything here, but you can see it's pretty good size as far as length. And this was a $5 one. And this is a sticker. It will come off. And sticker back there. But anyway, it's a really nice, oh, look at the gold. But just a really nice ruled notebook. Lays flat. I mean, the pages feel really nice. But yeah, and then it has the closure there. Loving that. So I don't know if I'll leave it like this or, just use it as a journal, or if we're going to tear it apart, or what we're going to do. And then I found a few more things. I thought this was, this is probably going to be hard to see, but this is an acrylic note board, phone stand, dry erase board. I don't know if you can see the picture there, but so this is acrylic, and then it has an extra little piece right there that there's slots that you can put it into. Is there 2 pieces? Huh. Okay, well there's 4 slots, and there's 1 piece right here. So I guess you could put it on either side. So anyway, it's marked Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday through Saturday this week, and so you can dry erase on that. And then you put this little kickstand right here and put your phone there. Is that not cool? We're gonna give it a try. All right, and then along with the same lines as the shape, these notebooks. Are these not fun? I mean, I just thought those were really cute. And so we have the gold on one, and then these are just, this one's blank. The paper's not bad. And then this one has the red. And this one's also blank. And then this one has the blue and also blank. But I just thought, I like this size. I like this longer, more narrow size. And I like the different flowers. Anyway, all I found was the three different designs there. So those were fun. Me and those kind of notebooks. All right, and then we had to have some fun. Sour Patch Kids Peach. AJ said these were all, this is not so sour. She said that they weren't, they feel like they're, like have that sugar coating on it. Anyway, she said these were all the rage. So we're gonna give them a try. And yes, Miss D and Loverboy. I got my hot tamales. If you know, you know. And then, what else do we get? Oh, AJ had to get a 100 grand bar. She better come get that. That's looking pretty good. And then the hard candies. So these are assorted fruit flavors. So these are just little discs there. And naturally fat-free, but full of sugar. I always like to keep a handful of these in my purse or in the car or something because of my low blood sugar. And then, I don't know why, but I saw the butterscotch and I was like, that just sounded really good. I didn't want this many. But then when I saw the, what is it, Werther's Original with the butterscotch flavor, they had just a small handful, excuse me, for the same price. And I'm like, those aren't going to go bad. So, and then, they do carry a lot of good stuff. No, these aren't the best for you, but in a pinch, if you have some ribs or you got, something you need a little side with and it's just a quickie, Yeah, for $1.25. Sometimes you can get them at the grocery store for $1.05 or something, but you know. And then what else? Oh, I had to get lens wipes for my glasses, just because I like to carry these with me all the time. So anyway, and then yes, I had to get Yoo-Hoo. We had to get some Sunny D. We had to get some, you know, the big cans of Coke, that kind of fun stuff. But anyway, so just a quick little haul, a quick little update. Hope everyone's doing great. We're gonna be back soon. I'm working, like I said, going through boxes. Sale's gonna be coming up pretty soon. You're gonna be with me on my redo of my craft room. Can't wait to show you the whole house. And so yeah, thanks again for hanging out with me. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.